And here she is in all her unglory. My test vertical. One radio, the other one's opposite. These two, probably can't see them, but they just support the tripod. On the top of the metal 10-foot tripod is a 2-foot piece of 1/2-inch PVC. Duct tape to that is a 13-foot carbon fiber or whatever it is fishing pole. Quarter-wave radiator, 12 feet, 11 inches. Grouping, counterpoise. That's the frequency calculated for 18.1 megahertz. We will see. We will see. This is my test antenna. After I flesh it out, I'll turn it into a permanent one made with a plastic tripod. I want a field deployable, easily carryable, small, lightweight, 17-meter vertical to be busted out on demand.